So it's 54% who think that if cases continue to rise, that they'd like to see their province, specifically their province, introduce a mask mandate.
This holiday season may look different, with public health restrictions now largely ended in the country. However, more than half of Canadians say they are ready to re-implement mandatory mask use if COVID-19 case counts continue to increase throughout the winter, according to a new poll by the Angus Reid Institute. While 3 out of 10 Canadians say they are wearing a mask most of the time when in public, mask use varies significantly across the country, says Dave Korzinski, research director with ARI.
When you look at that never response, the people who say that they're not wearing one at all, it's 58% in Alberta, it's 59% in Saskatchewan.
The poll shows Canadians most likely to never wear a mask after those living in Alberta and Saskatchewan are people in New Brunswick and Quebec. Provinces masking up most often are Nova Scotia, Ontario, and Newfoundland. Korzinski says overall, the desire to mandate mask use has gone down over the duration of the pandemic.
Even as cases are spreading and people are becoming a little bit more concerned, there's less of a willingness to support that mandate.
The poll shows 63% of women support the return of mask mandates, with that number dropping to 45% for men. City News hit the streets to ask people their opinion on bringing back mandatory masking if COVID case counts continue to climb.
In general, I don't think that the mandate should be back.
Well, I just think it should be up to how people feel.
I don't think it would hurt to have mask mandate back again because it has shown to be effective.
I wear my mask all the time. I never stop.
Dr. Julie Lajoie from the University of Manitoba says we are still in a pandemic, with hospitals being overwhelmed by patients with COVID-19, RSV, and the flu. Dr. Lajoie thinks mask mandates should have been brought back weeks ago instead of only being recommended by government.
Make it mandated so that we actually know that it's the right thing to do. If it was mandated, it would make it easier for everybody to just wear their mask, and then we are protecting everybody.
In Winnipeg, Mark Neufeld, City News.